Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Most people watching this video know it as the platform where you can trade but equally manage your portfolios. It is a pretty important platform, as there are millions of ways people can invest in cryptos, but it's as simple as creating an account and you're able to buy a range of cryptocurrencies. However, not all cryptos are available on Coinbase, which is a shame because it could easily make them gain millions of traders overnight. With Coinbase, you can equally invest in cryptocurrencies slowly over time by scheduling daily, weekly, or monthly purchases of your cryptocurrency of choice. For added security, Coinbase allows you to store your funds in a vault with time-delayed withdrawals. This means you can equally withdraw your currency over time, for example, in a week or two, depending on your preferences. So clearly, Coinbase is the website where every cryptocurrency wants to be listed because of its market reach and the millions of crypto traders that use it. You can buy a range of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and soon it will be ideal if currencies such as Doge can be listed on the platform as well. Perhaps that will reduce the reliance on other trading websites, but it will equally mean millions of people from across the world will be able to purchase cryptocurrencies on the go and join a huge community of futuristic digital currency lovers. If DOGECOIN is listed on Coinbase, the price will almost certainly soar, simply because some other further legitimacy will accrue to the digital currency, and there's no reason why it shouldn't be listed on Coinbase, right? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Lion. Today we're going to be talking about decentralized finance, but more specifically, we'll be looking at the implications of a DOGECOIN listing on Coinbase. There are huge implications for Doge if this were to happen, as it will give crypto investors an opportunity to diversify their asset holdings. If you enjoy our videos, please make sure you leave a like on this one, tap the subscribe button, and of course turn on post notifications on this channel, as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments in the market. Remember, you're part of the growing community that is interested in cryptocurrencies, but perhaps you're equally a Doge lover, which makes it even better that we get a like from you. Also, nothing in this video should be considered as personalized financial advice. We are not licensed under securities laws to address your particular financial situation, so always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision regarding cryptocurrencies or other forms of financial assets. Now, as we said, Coinbase is a pretty important platform with millions of users and a range of important cryptos that are traded on it. There are millions of people from all parts of the world trading on Coinbase, and it has definitely helped other cryptocurrencies gain visibility. Although we know Coinbase is a pretty big platform for cryptos, it is important to know the exact numbers, because we all know numbers don't lie. According to backlinko.com, Coinbase has 56 million verified users. 6.1 million Coinbase users make at least one transaction per month. And Coinbase generated $1.28 billion in revenue in 2020. The number of Coinbase users rose exponentially since the inception of the website. I'm sure most of us are pretty familiar with the website, but for those who don't know what Coinbase is, here's a quick overview. As you can see, it's an easy-to-navigate website that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, but is equally infamous for its high fees. However, it still remains pretty important for cryptocurrency traders. Let's put this into context. The quarterly volumes traded is at $335 billion, while over 100 countries support it, and it has 56 million verified users. So there's no reason to repeat that it's a pretty big deal. It's important to note that Bitcoin and Ethereum represent 83% of all assets on the Coinbase platform, while other currencies represent only 13% of the share. Now, this is based on a mix of trading volumes and other factors, but Coinbase misses out on the DOGECOIN listing, even as the meme token rallied to 6,000% on Binance. This means they're losing out on a huge portion of their fees as the website is known for its expensive trading. You'll see here that Coinbase is listed in a range of European countries, although there are many more countries across Asia, North and South America, as well as Africa that accept the website. From Sweden to Switzerland, the website is basically available in most, if not all, European countries. Here's a list of countries that accept the website. This is, of course, a list of European countries, but it equally includes Canada and the United States. Meanwhile, Asia's financial capital, Singapore, is also on the list, which really makes it the ideal place to list DOGECOIN. There are no apparent reasons why Doge has not been listed on the website, but it's clear that a Doge listing will see the currency traded in a growing number of countries. This is equally important because most European countries are looking to digitize their economies, and a few are already talking about central bank digital currencies. There's nothing new about decentralized finance and blockchain technology as the victor of modern-day financial systems. The European Central Bank recently launched consultations for the implementation of a digital currency, while Sweden has been piloting the e-krona for years. So it's logical to see why they are accepting cryptocurrencies across their countries, and Coinbase's April listing equally saw the emergence of debit cards that have been launched across 6 European countries. The US-based cryptocurrency exchange went public in April with a direct listing of its shares on Nasdaq. However, it's missed out on the latest frenzy that's gripped cryptocurrency markets. It's important to note that there was a time when the Doge rally was estimated at 6,000% for year-to-date. And this was just this April, so imagine the number of fees that they're missing out on. In my view, this is a pretty huge mistake for the trading website, but I think the meme-based currency may be suffering from the expected industry snub. Perhaps this might be overstating it, but perhaps it's not. Let's not forget that when Bitcoin started, very few people thought it will reach such heights, and the markets were just as skeptical. Now look at where it's trading today. It's almost as though the episode of doubt never existed. This news report from CNBC says it all. This was not long ago when Bitcoin was performing quite well and several news outlets did not entirely trust the cryptocurrency. Some called its trading fake, and while such claims were not substantiated, it nonetheless created huge doubt over the future of the cryptocurrency. But experience shows that consumers ultimately decide what happens to a cryptocurrency, and the rate at which they use it determines its acceptability across various jurisdictions. So after all, Bitcoin came out on top, with its price trading between $40,000 and $55,000. This might be the doubt phase for Doge, but it won't last long. Doge, which was launched in 2013, has boasted an astonishingly high trading volume, exceeding even that of Ether, the native token of the popular Ethereum blockchain, and the second biggest cryptocurrency overall after Bitcoin. So there's no reason why the currency wouldn't be included in Coinbase, and its users are known to sign petitions, and rightly so. In a free market economy, businesses are free to choose what forms of payment they accept. But in a society where consumers can utilize a range of currencies that are not issued by a central authority, it's indispensable that consumers who use a currency are able to trade in it. This is especially true for companies such as Amazon that could lose clients to eBay if it begins accepting Doge. The number of transactions is staggering. If you look at the breakdown from Coinbase, you can see that the number of trades from cryptos to stable coins is on the rise, while that of fiat to crypto trades are falling somewhat. This ultimately means that Coinbase will become instrumental in ensuring that consumers and investors can switch between cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and cash. The ability to trade and equally transform cryptocurrencies into other usable formats forms the basis of decentralized finance. As crypto moves from the current investment phase into what we call the utility phase, a host of new use cases will present themselves. For currencies such as Doge, that is currently being traded at very low prices across the world, its use cases are endless. And while it might take some time for it to accumulate a store of value, its incredibly cheap price means more fees and customers for Coinbase and a greater user base that will continue to advocate its use across different platforms. So as we know, Coinbase is a pretty interesting trading platform, and it's equally important for crypto traders as it enables them to buy, sell, and hold on a single platform. It equally enables them to access cash and transfer their holdings in no time. DOGECOIN will likely be listed soon, but no one knows exactly when. If Coinbase is looking to increase its revenues from trader fees, then it certainly wants to include Doge. So stay tuned for more updates on this because we know the Doge community will continue to press that the currency be adopted across a range of platforms. But the incentives for Doge and Coinbase are the same in this matter. Greater access to Doge means higher trading fees for Coinbase. This will cause the value of the trading website to skyrocket, and so will that of Doge. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. When do you think Coinbase will list DOGECOIN? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. And while you're here, check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing.